So today I'm going to show you how you could use Google Earth and its project option to really create a great presentation tool to communicate your learning, or just want to show some cool places you visited on vacation. So I'm at Google Earth on the web, clicking on Google Earth, and I'm going to launch it. Once it brings me into the Google Earth, I'm going to hit skip because I don't need to learn about the new Google Earth. And on the left-hand side, you can see this toolbar. And I'm going to go over to the one that says projects. So this icon right here that says projects, I'm going to click on project. And it's going to give me the option to watch an introduction, which I'm not going to do right now, but I recommend you watch it. And I'm going to hit create. If you click create, it's going to give you two options: create a project in your drive or a KML file. You're going to want to create a project in your drive. It's going to be important for when you want to share this out or publish this. Like any good Google product, you're going to have to title it. So just click on it. I like to give a description as well. Now you're going to notice that now I've got a title for my file. I've also put a brief description. So now I'm ready to start adding features.